Good morning, students. Welcome to day 4 session. We are dealing with sound lesson. And in this session, we will be learning about. We already learned that sound is a mechanical wave. It needs medium to travel. So here we have a question. Does sound needs medium? What medium it needs? In this session, we will be learning in depth. See, two of you perform this activity. Take a table, two persons, person A and person B. Two of you stand on either side of your table, one on the other, first end and the other one on the second end. And at this first end, A will hit the bench. Like this. When A is beating the bench or hitting the bench, we already from our previous knowledge we know that when you hit the bench surface vibrates. Because of this, sound will be heard. Now ask this student B to keep his see, if this is your bench, for example, try to keep your ear on the bench like this. And the first one will be hitting from this side, and the second person B will be keeping his ear on the bench. Now try to hear the sound. What you will observe? You observe sound is heard by person. Now repeat the activity, but this time don't just touch your ear on the table, but just lift your head and try to hear. In this case also you can hear but very less sound. Here from this activity we can infer that sound will travel in solid surface. What is a surface? Solid. Here we have taken the wooden bench. Let me repeat it again. Take a wooden bench to observe whether sound travels in solids or not. I am doing this activity. Take a wooden bench. Two persons has to stand on either of the sides. One person will be hitting with a spoon or hand or anything, making some sound. The other person will be hearing by keeping his ear on the table. He can hear the sound. What you observe from this activity is the other person can hear the sound. You conclude from this activity that sound travels in solid medium. Coming to the another activity, take a pipe like this, long pipe. Take a long pipe. Two of your friends do this activity. Person A will be standing from at one end. Take a long pipe. I don't have a long pipe to show. And other person B here will be standing. Person A, person B. Person A will make some sound like this. Slowly whisper through this pipe. And the pipe other side B person will be hearing. Do this activity, whisper. You will observe that sound travels through this. And also you can take 2 cups, plastic tea cups. Take a pencil or a needle and make a hole here in between. And take a thread. See that no knot is there in the middle of the thread. It is clear, neat thread. Now, with the help of this hole, you make this thread to pass into it, and the other side not to go back here and there. You not here. Tie the thread here such that it will not move, and tie the other end to the other cup. by piercing the hole like this. Now again here I need two children. One children will be talking here, whisper here, and the other person keeping on the keeping the other cup into near his ear. He can hear. Your phone is ready. What is this? You can speak. What do you observe from all these activities? From all these activities, in all here, you observe that sound can travel in solids. Now we will go for an activity for proving whether sound can travel in liquids or not. Take a bucket, take two stones and hit like this. When you hit the other one with the first one, you will make some sound. When you make some sound, can you hear that sound? Definitely. Now, same stones, you hit it one another, keeping inside the bucket full of water. Children, this is your bucket. Bucket is filled with water. Now, immerse the stones inside the water, inside the bucket full of water, and then strike them inside the water and try to hear the sound. What you will observe, make observations in your notebook. First observation should be done by hitting the stones outside the bucket. Just take two stones, hit, and then note the observations here. In the second case, repeat the activity by immersing your stones inside the water. What do you observe? You can observe the sound though you immerse the stones inside the water and hit them. From this activity, I can conclude that sound travels in liquids also. Coming to the next activity, take a glass. This activity is to prove whether gases travel, sound travels through gases or not. Take a glass, take a glass of your mobile size, so that you have to keep your mobile here. Okay. Now try to play songs in the mobile. Now you will be able to hear obviously. The sound of the cell phone or the songs played in the cell phone can be heard. Now take this glass and suck the air from the glass like this. When you suck it, you will observe the glass will be sticking to your mouth. It means that you are sucking all the all the gas, all the air from the glass. Now try to hear the same song which is coming from your mobile phone by sucking the air. When you are sucking the air, you will hear the song but with reduced volume. That means the sound volume will be reduced when you are sucking the air. And try to suck all the air completely. It means that you are creating vacuum inside the glass. That is, vacuum means no air, nothing, empty space. What you will observe. But unfortunately, it's difficult and it's practically we cannot make vacuum. We cannot create vacuum. But what you will observe is when you are sucking the gas from the glass, the sound will be reduced. It means that if the whole gas is taken out, if vacuum is created, no sound can be heard, but it is not possible practically. So from this activity you will observe that sound can travel in gases also. In the bucket example, here sound can travel in liquids, sound can travel in solids with the help from the activities of teacups and your pipe, and you have beaten the bench or table in your home, and the other person heard the sound from the other side of the bench. From these activities we can prove that sound travels in solids, liquids and gases. But here also another point can be inferred from the activity. When whole gas was sucked by you, that when the vacuum is created, you cannot hear the sound. What does it mean? The important point of this session is sound cannot travel